and I'm your host for the video blog forum, Fine-Tune Your Condition Monitoring Solution to Extract Value. The topic this month is Condition Monitoring System Data and Information Sharing. All CM systems deliver data and information to help the user make operation and maintenance decisions to maximize machine protection, efficiency, reliability, and uptime while minimizing the lifecycle costs of these machines. But the type of data and information delivered and where it is delivered to varies widely from system to system and application to application. One of the most basic concepts for data sharing was a permanently installed CMS, where the CMS data acquisition and processing unit automatically delivers raw and processed data to SCADA, PLC, and DCS control systems. There are several purposes for this. This data may be used for an automatic shutdown system. Sometimes the control system voting logic is more sophisticated than that offered by the CMS, so the alarm event is initiated and managed in the control system. Certain automatic control functions may depend on importing condition monitoring data as a trigger. Other times, the imported condition monitoring data is only for displaying it on a control system's operator screen. The CMS can also deliver to other monitoring systems or import process data from these systems into the CMS. Field bus communication protocols are used for this type of data transfer. Another basic concept of data transfer for a CMS is alarm data handling. Measurements and descriptors that exceed alarm limits will automatically create alarm events. This data is then either manually diagnosed for location, severity, and required action by a specialist, or is done automatically by a decision support system. This data normally resides in the condition monitoring server, but it can be exported to other people and systems, as previously explained. To properly diagnose the fault and forecast maintenance action, historical data is also needed. Therefore, raw and processed data is stored in a database. This measurement data has to be accessed by qualified people with the proper graphic and analysis tools. The data can also be accessed by artificial intelligence or machine learning algorithms for statistical analysis and prognostic forecasts of remaining useful life of the asset. The location for this database is traditionally in the CMS proprietary server, but it can be stored everywhere, anywhere, such as in a historian, data lake, or in the cloud. In addition to raw and processed data storage and viewing in plots, the CMS can also automatically generate decision support and maintenance action information. This action information can also be done manually if it is exported to service providers or automatically by other systems. This information has to be further transferred to the qualified persons in the proper way, such as mobile phone, messaging, email, apps, etc. In addition to raw process data, the decision support and maintenance action information, there are also other types of data that can be remotely accessed, such as the CMS configuration data. As you can see, data and information is imported and exported across many boundaries and to different people and systems via different means of communication. The ease of accessibility of this data, the risk of data loss and corruption, and its cybersecurity varies a lot also from application to application. As with all CMS topics we will be covering, I post some discussion items in this LinkedIn group forum to inspire you to take part in a discussion. We want to find out about your challenges and pain points and how successful you've been in resolving these with your data and information. In addition to these discussion items, I would also like to hear your comments and suggestions for resolving these, even if it is just a one-off solution that nobody offers. Thanks for your participation, and I hope you can benefit from the discussions.